So today we are fixing up this new garage. So I've been living here for a little under a month and I haven't really had time or help to fix this place up. And like there's, some stuff that I really want to do in this garage and I want it to just be like a nice space. We're going to install some lights. These are actually the exact same ones that I bought my brother for his garage, and those turned out awesome. So I'm hoping that these are kind of similar. Then I also want to put a fresh coat of paint, just like a super cheap white paint, just to cover all this stuff up. There's mystery stains here. Not sure what those are, but hopefully not poop. So yeah, these are the lights. They're actually relatively cheap for how many it comes with. These are basically 8 feet long. And yeah, just gonna kind of strap them up and see what happens. I'm with my dad right now. I'm not 100% sure if he likes being on camera, but I don't know, we'll see. So we started putting the lights up, and I didn't really record much of this because it was very repetitive and we kind of did it throughout the day, so I didn't want to just leave a camera recording for like 4 hours. It turned out amazing, and I'll talk way more about it at the end of the video, but massive success.
You showed me how to dare to love, so tell me what you're thinking of.
So after doing a bit of painting, we ended up going out for some lunch, and we actually went to Harbor Freight to pick up something new for the garage.
Wow, this is nice. Wow. That's a nice tool top. It's nice? Yeah, it is.
So I ended up getting a 6-pack of socket organizers. We're gonna see how well these work. Right now I've got way too many sockets and they're just kind of all over the place. So hopefully this helps.
Offer today, do a burnout. He went to his buddies like a ranch.
So if you remember in a previous video, I bought all of my tools in this Pittsburgh like pre-assembled kit. I actually have most of my tools from just a random amount of kits that I just had laying around. So I have a lot of duplicates and a lot of random things. I also have some missing, but we'll figure that out later. So I've got a couple posters that I'm gonna put up. I had this Kid Cudi one lying around, so just gonna throw it up there. And my coworker Kieran actually made me this. He's a huge VW guy, but like the bad VWs, like the Mark IIs and the Mark IIIs and the Mark IVs. But he's our graphic designer, and this is actually all of his work. And he just said like, hey, take it. I had one lying around, so it's pretty cool. He's really talented, and yeah, it looks awesome. So this is my new garage, and yeah, it's got some quirks, like I hit my head on the overhead storage all the time. But this is the first time that I've ever had a garage to myself, and it's really nice. Like, I am blessed to be able to actually have this. It's crazy, and I'm going to use it. This toolbox is really awesome, and yeah, I got sockets, I got wrenches, like I'm stocked, dude. If you're wondering, this was from Harbor Freight. It was, I think, like either $250 or $300, somewhere around that range. So, you know, it's expensive. It is what it is. But this is something that I'm going to keep for probably my whole life. And I got all my random fluids and other random things up here, nice and accessible. I've got hella zip ties. I've got assorted clamps, assorted hardware. Like, this place is done. I mean, I don't really need anything else. And yeah, I'm just really excited to be able to work in here. So huge shout out to my dad for coming in and helping me paint and put up these lights. Probably the biggest thing is the lighting. It's awesome. Being able to film in a garage is great, and when you add great lighting to that, it's awesome. It's excellent. These are from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. I would highly recommend them. I have these for my garage, and I bought them for my brother's garage, if you guys remember that one. So if you're wondering what the lighting was like before, I have a good way to demonstrate it. So let me turn these bright ones off. Now, this is, actually here, let me close this. Okay, so this is what it looked like before. I had the garage light, and then I also had, if you can see that light bulb up there, it barely did anything. Mostly it was the garage light that was actually doing most of the lighting. So this is what it's like before. It's not exactly a very well lit area, and I can't really film in here. But now, if I turn these on, it's pretty insane. These are absolutely amazing. So anyway, that'll do it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching, and yeah, stay tuned for me working in this garage. I'm excited. Anyway, see you guys.